So it's morning of Pickens Campground, Pensacola. And it looks to be a pretty nice day, but last night we got a bunch of rain. I mean, a downpour for like 3 hours. And I was concerned about flooding, and sure enough, my section seems to be okay, but everybody else is kind of flooded. They said it's the most rain they've had in a long time. They said 7 inches on the Gulf, and maybe possibly 10 inland. But it came around midnight last night. I even got a warning on my phone for flooding, but I'd say 75% of the camp is flooded. Wow. See all this? Well, just can't even get in your camper without having boots on. It's a power source. We didn't lose any power. There's a camper that got, not a camper, but a tenter that got some wind damage. The canopy blew off. Got flooding over here. Lots of water. Don't have to worry about getting flooded there. It's a cool system. Cool setup. Now we're kind of going uphill a little bit. So obviously no water here. None by the bathroom. By the way, this loop is lot EDC. Let's go on the outer side. You got some water, lots of water. Jeez. Slot C, loop C. It's all water over there. Completely surrounded from water. Looks like the middle of the campground got it the worst. And the sides, the outer sides are a little better. There's section C. Some of the water's come down a little bit. You can see where it was up to some of these rigs' tires. That guy's underwater. Everybody's got flip-flops. Didn't think you might need boots or waders for this. Ow. All this water. All flooded there. He's got reserved on them. Either they're coming or they have left. We're directly over on the other side, which is Loop E. All water. All water. It came down hard last night. Over 3 hours of it. Full force and lightning. I got complete water there. Shaking out rugs. Going the wrong way. It's all water. It's the 2019 flood of Fort Pickens Campground. And this is lot E side, which I'm on. But all the outer ones are dry for the most part. The outer part of the campground. All the inside of the campground is flooded. Water, water, water. Well, there's an outer site that's watered, flooded. These are all flooded. And when I was up this morning, their water was up to the rim. So it's gone down a couple inches. And we're back to our site, which I had no water, so we lucked out. Thanks for watching.